In this video, we show how to assemble the Jetson Orin on the ACCE models, how to install batteries in UGV Rover and UGV Beast. Whether it is the ACCE model of UGV Rover or UGV Beast, the steps to install Jetson Orin are the same for both models. This video uses UGV Rover as an example to introduce the installation of Jetson Orin on UGV Rover. First, unscrew the 4 screws on the robot expansion component, then place the expansion component aside. Secure Jetson Orin and wireless network card with a flat head screw. Install the antennas on the wireless network card. Remove the hexagonal copper pillars used to support the expansion component. Place the Jetson Orin host on the silver hexagonal copper pillars M2.5 by 8. Then use the 4 previously removed copper pillars to fix the Jetson Orin host to the robot. Plug the double row cable from Jetson Nano adapter into Jetson Orin host to enable communication between the upper and lower devices. Plug the DC 5525 interface into the Jetson Orin host to provide power to the upper device. Plug the Type A interface of the audio driver board and camera into the USB port of Jetson Orin. Then use the 4 previously removed screws to fix the pan tilt to the robot. In this way, the Jetson Orin is installed on the UGV Rover chassis. Finally, I will introduce how to install the batteries. First, unscrew the 4 screws on the chassis of the robot, and then disassemble the chassis. Then put the batteries into the battery module, which is marked with positive and negative poles. Finally, use the 4 previously removed black metal cup head hexagon socket screws M3*6 to fix the previously removed parts back to the robot.